YouTube, Dr. Yvette here, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my experience with the snow here in the coastal South. I was so excited to wake up and see this Arctic blast. I didn't know what to do with myself. So it was like, oh, I can relive the parts of my childhood in Texas when we would come out and there would be just this small dusting of snow. But it would make me so excited. And I love snow. I love snowmen. And I tried my best to make one, but the snow here was so flaky that I couldn't even really get a ball to roll the snowman. But I actually came out also to clear the snow off of my car. I have a mature car, so I'm trying to preserve the paint job, and snow can do a little bit of damage to that. And then I wanted to see how much snow we got, so I put my snow brush down into the snow to just measure it, and it looked like we got 3.5+ inches of snow. Super excited about that. But I also wanted to make sure I came out to get some of the snow off of the bushes and different things like that where the weight of the snow can actually damage the bush. So it was a day of fun out looking at the plants, clearing off our car, taking pictures and doing all sorts of things to enjoy the snow, because I honestly thought my last bit of snow I would see ever before moving to this coastal South country side, I thought was when I was leaving the DMV, the DC metro area. But it snowed and I'm very grateful. So hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and go on this journey with me as I work out in my garden that's a forest and other lifestyle content. Thanks for watching. I thought I would break up the video and give you a sneak peek of what the beach looks like when it snows. It is absolutely gorgeous to see the different colors of blues and grays that fill the sky, and to see the white snow cover the golden sand is so beautiful to me. And the rushing of the water, it's serene. So you can't stay out here too long because it is still cold. In fact, it's colder with the wind coming off of the water, but I stayed out long enough just to hear the rushing of the water and enjoy the snow from a beach perspective. Okay, I heard Mert calling to me, and he was calling me because he wanted me to see something fun that our neighbors were doing. So here they come around the corner going 70 plus on an ATV, and the young guy is being pulled by it. And so they slowed down, but there they go. My prayer is, God, let all of this snow serve as water for my rose bush and the grass because this is a lot of snow, and I'm hoping that it doesn't damage my yellow rose. So let it be water for it, God. Thank you in advance. It was very important for me to get over to my palm tree and to clear it of the snow. If you can't tell, the palm leaves are kind of slooping because of the weight of the snow has settled in the middle of the palm. So I am going to clear the snow off of it. I'm hoping that there's no damage to this tree come spring, but I do remember in the past when my mom had a palm tree and the weather got really, really cold, it killed it. So I'm hoping that this tropical tree will survive. Although I'm excited about the snow, I don't want it to kill the vegetation that's around the house. But we'll see come spring. I didn't do much cleaning to my lower petalum bush because they were out of the snow at an adequate amount, so I don't think the leaves will be damaged. Hopefully this will give them a little water that they need. My husband had this ingenious idea to use our leaf blower to blow the snow away. So it worked quite well. He blew the snow because it was very light and flaky, and he blew it away, and then I came behind him with the snow shovel. Now the snow shovel is plastic and they're kind of wide, and we've kept these snow shovels. I don't know why we kept the snow shovels because we didn't think it would snow as much as it did here, but we kept them and we've used them to get leaves up and things like that. Actually, we've used them more than twice, but now they have come in handy since we had this Arctic blast that produced 3.5+ inches of snow. Now we have a reason to use the snow shovel. So here we go. Thanks for watching. I know the Generac will be fine, but I'm hoping my bales of hay will be fine too. I had plans to use those. I didn't realize how long this sidewalk was until we started to treat it. So it's long and it curves around to the back deck. Huh, who knew? Blowing the snow off of the deck proved to be a little bit of a challenge because our deck is made of Trex, and it's not as, I guess it's very different from concrete, so it didn't work as nice as we thought it was going to on the deck. Here I wanted to show you a picture of my truck that's sitting in the back and the snow that is piled up on top of it. I didn't go and get it off, but I probably should. But my truck is already rusting a little, so it'll be fine. Okay, YouTube, here is my last portion of the video. I asked my husband to blow the snow off the top of my car just because I could not reach the top middle and the side rails on my car was a little slippery. So he did what he could to try to blow it off the top, but hopefully in the next few days it'll melt quickly as not to mess up my paint job. Again, thanks for taking this journey with me and thanks for watching.